नहीं आ रही
Good
we are
morning.
going to start.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning to all of you. I request Dr. Ufana Riaz to please conduct the valedictory program. Dr. Ufana Riaz, please.
Respected dignitaries, panelists, participant attendees, our speakers, I welcome you all to the valedictory session today. We are glad to have our Honorable Registrar Sahab, Dr. Nazim Hussain Al Jafri, to present the valedictory address. We are grateful that he has managed to spare his valuable time and accepted our invitation to preside over the valedictory function. Now, with his due permission, I would like to start the valedictory session and request him to grant us permission for doing so.
Please start. Please.
Okay, first of all, I would like to invite our very dynamic and energetic head of the department, Professor Nahid Nishat, to present the welcome address and the webinar lecture series report. Ma'am, please represent the report and the welcome address to everyone.
Thank you, Ufana. Chief guest of the valedictory function, Dr. Nazim Hussain Al Jafri, Registrar Jamia Millia Islamia. Our special guest of honors, Professor Sarbajit Banerjee from Texas A&M University, Professor Mao from IIT Chicago, USA, Professor Tauqir Ahmed, Dr. Ufana Riaz, faculty members, and dear participants. Good morning to all of you. Being the chairperson of Indo-US webinar and lecture series and head Department of Chemistry, I warmly welcome you all in the valedictory function after successfully completing the program. I am glad to share the report of the webinar and lecture series as the Department of Chemistry Jamia Millia Islamia organized MHRD Spark sponsored Indo webinar lecture series on advanced functional materials during 1st to 9th June 2021 by virtual mode. I am extremely thankful to our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Najma Akhtar, who, despite of her busy schedule, inaugurated the Indo-US webinar and lecture series and managed to give her valuable time for the entire inaugural and plenary session. She has always been generous and gave all the liberty for the perfect conduction of this event. Patron of the webinar, Dean Faculty of Natural Sciences, Professor Simi Farad Basir, addressed the gathering by the faculty remarks. She emphasized upon the recent achievement by the Faculty of Natural Sciences by highlighting the scientific activities, number of research articles and book chapters published and developments in the last 1 year, which we had mostly spent in the lockdown. Patron and Honorable Registrar Dr. Nazim Hussain Al Jafri Saab presented the administrative remarks. He also laid stress on the conduction of such virtual seminars for the benefit of society, especially the young students and researchers who have restricted activities due to the COVID-19 pandemic. The technical remarks about the webinar were given by the international collaborators of the Indo-US Spark project by Professor Sarbajit Banerjee and Professor Mao. The guest of honor of the event, Professor Didi Sarma from IISc Bangalore, is as usual cherished for his inspiring and stimulating speech. He addressed the participants with scientific remarks. We were highly blessed to listen to the presidential address by Honorable Vice Chancellor Madam. She stressed how focused and determined step each day leads to the successful execution of any great task. The 2-day webinar had a plenary lecture by Professor Didi Sarma, followed by 6 keynote lectures by Professor Sarbajit Banerjee, Professor A.K. Ganguly, Professor Yon Bing Mao, Professor Arun Chattopadhyay, Professor A.K. Tyagi, and Professor K.V. Ramanujachari. We are very much thankful to all our invited plenary and keynote speakers for their wonderful lectures full of burning issues and insight. All the lectures were well enjoyed and conscientiously attended by the participants, which is reflected by receipt of our 1,000 plus feedback forms from the participants. The lecture series was followed by the next 7 days from 3rd to 9th June. This lecture series also witnessed similar participation, full of enthusiasm and attentiveness from the attendees. All the special lectures delivered by Professor Mao and Professor Banerjee were on very hot topics of advanced materials and energy concepts. I extremely welcome again your participation. I am sure that everyone had been benefited by the 2 days webinar and 7 days lecture series by the top world eminent scientists, by the informative lectures. I am extremely thankful to all the eminent speakers, delegates from across country and abroad, our esteemed administration, faculty members, staff, and students for making this event as successful program. Thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am, for the wonderful report and for your cooperation and your kindness. You have been with us throughout the 9-day lecture series webinar. Your cooperation is highly appreciated. Thank you very much, ma'am. Now I would like to invite our star speaker, Professor Mao, who has been with us throughout the 9 days to share his experience about the 9-day webinar lecture series and give us a special address. We are highly grateful to have him. He's given his wonderful time, his dedication, and he has shown a lot of patience with the queries. We've had wonderful discussions. So now, not taking much time, I would like to invite Professor Mao to please give us a special address on his behalf and share his experiences with us, being with us.
Very much. Thank you, Dr. Ran. And it's my wonderful and honor experience to be part of this Indo-US webinar and lecture series on advanced functional materials. And also thank Professor Toki, Ahmad, and also the GMI team to organize this wonderful event. And I'm honored to join the esteemed scientists and the educators to be part of this forum. And also, I greatly appreciate, the participants for their wonderful participation and the questions and the comments. And I learned a lot as well during the process. And so for the youngsters among the participants, I really think, never give up with science. I think if, any of you ask yourself about the future, your future, and, somebody asks you as well, I think, I would say science is the future. And so just, keep working on it. And, that will be something wonderful thing will come. So, yeah, again, I really enjoyed this wonderful experience, even though it's all virtual, but I really enjoyed it. And I thanks, the GMI for the wonderful hosting of this event. And I hope, in the near future, I will meet many of you and also visit you as well. And yeah, and so, talk more science in the near future. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Professor Mao, for your kind words and your appreciation. We are highly indebted. Now I would like to invite our star speaker, Professor Sarbajit Banerjee, to give his address and share his views on and experiences about the 9-day lecture series and webinar that he has been with us, and he's given so much time and prepared wonderful presentations. So I would like him to share his special address with us.
Thank you, Dr. Riaz. So I just have to say that I was really honored that Dr. Toki picked us to as partners on this event. I think we had 2 years ago, we had a very different set of circumstances in mind, but I think we've I think it's just incredible testament to Dr. Tokiyama that he's really launched successfully done this so well in a virtual format. and he's brought and inspired his team together to do this. I also, before I forget, I would like to recognize Mr. Amir Mehtab, who, spent time in my research group and was incredibly, a great valuable asset to us. And he's been also helping with the seminar all along. And unfortunately, when he was in Texas, shortly thereafter the pandemic started. So lab time was limited, but he in whatever time he spent in our group, he really did incredibly well. And I think everyone in Jamia should be very proud of Amir and sending him here. So thank you for sending such a great student to us. We've it's been a great honor to be a part of this and to share billing with some of the top scientists in India. So I want to thank Dr. Nahid Nishat for making sure that this event has run so well and so smoothly. The entire IT team that has behind the scenes worked really hard. Dr. Nazim Hussain Jafri for your presence here today and for running such a smooth show at Jamia, despite all of the challenges of the pandemic, and making sure that the university continues to function and continues to deliver a high quality education to all the students and folks behind. And Dr. Ufana Riaz, also a special word of thanks for conducting all of these Q&A sessions. Again, we would have loved to have been in person and interacting with the participants, but this is the second best thing. So thank you for still making this a great option. So I think with that, I'm like I said at the end of my lecture, I see this as not the end, but the beginning of a close relationship, and I look forward to us meeting in person and hopefully having you all visit as well, and further collaborations in the future. Thank you.
Thank you, Professor Banerjee, for the wonderful, kind words which you have for us and your feelings. We understand the dedication. Both our speakers, Professor Mao and Professor Banerjee, have given immense time and they have given wonderful lectures. I mean, they've been so inspiring to all the participants, to add to the knowledge pool of advanced functional materials. And we hope to, listen to the lectures in future as well and meet them in person. They've been we are really grateful and honored to have them with us. And they have been really inspiring to us. We don't have words to express our gratitude. And with this, I would like to thank Professor Mao, Professor Banerjee. And before I would like to invite our Registrar Saab, Dr. Nazim Hussain Al Jafri, for the valedictory address, I would like to formally introduce him to all the speakers, panelists, participants present here. So our Honorable Registrar Saab, Dr. Nazim Hussain Al Jafri, is presently holding two positions at Jamia, the position of Registrar and Controller of Examination, Jamia Millia Islamia. Prior to JMI, Dr. Jafri has served AMU for 35 years in various capacities. He has also served as Registrar and Controller to many other universities in different times. Dr. Jafri has authored several research articles in international journals and contributed to several books as article author. He has written books on Indian history and archaeology and attended many international conferences in different countries like America, Japan, England, Germany, France, etc. He has remained active for effective educational reforms in the past several decades. Recently, he has been conferred with the prestigious Maulana Abul Kalam Azad Excellence Award of Education for his outstanding contribution in the field of educational reforms and administrative services. We are greatly honored to have him in our university, and we are really growing in terms of education, in terms of academics. We are growing higher and higher in his presence with his experience and with his wonderful, suggestions that he keeps on giving for conducting different seminars, workshops, and he takes extra interest in participating in all these events. And he's been very cooperative during this pandemic to the students as well as to the faculty members. So not taking much of his time, I would like to invite our Honorable Registrar Sahab, Dr. Nazim Hussain Al Jafri to give the valedictory address and address to all the participants and the panelists present here. Sir.
Thank you, Dr. Ufana. Riaz. Professor Sarvajit Banerjee from Texas A&M University. Professor Mao from IIT Chicago. Head Department of Chemistry. Professor Nahid Nishat. Professor Tawqir Ahmad. Dr. Ufana. Riaz. Faculty members and participants. Good morning to all of you. If I am correct, this Indo-US webinar was inaugurated by our respected Vice Chancellor, Professor Najma Akhtar, on 1st June 2021. Today, I am pleased to note that Department of Chemistry, Jamia Millia Islamia, is going to complete this grand 9-day Indo-US webinar and lecture series on advanced functional materials under Spark scheme of Ministry of Education, Government of India. The registration of more than 1,500 delegates and close to 1,000 attendees every day reflects the success and significance of this Indo-US program. The basic objective of the Spark scheme of Government of India is to spread awareness among the research and academic community regarding cutting-edge and technological advancements. I am told that the theme of this Indo-US program is based on functional nanomaterials for renewable energy. More specifically, protochemical and electrochemical, hydrogen generation and storage. The possibility that such advanced nanomaterials could be applied to resolve the challenging issues of renewable energy is encouraging. I believe that the purpose of this online series was bring together world's top class scientists and research scholars to brainstorm on novel ideas and opportunities available in the field. The ultimate goal was to get insight into future trends and share knowledge on sustainability and innovations. I am sure this webinar has achieved all its aims and objectives. As we conclude this important event today, I hope the delegates will take with them new experiences and ideas from important webinar and its rich plenary keynote addresses and special lectures by leading experts. And I am happy that I could be able to listen the last part of the lecture of Professor Banerjee. Though I am not a student of chemistry, but in these few minutes, 2 or 3 minutes, I could be able to understand that very important and knowledgeable lectures were given by the experts in these events. In the end, I congratulate Professor Najma Akhtar, Vice Chancellor JMI, and team members of Indo-US webinar for successful completion of this program, and wish you all a bright future ahead and success in all corners of their life in future. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your wonderful words. We are highly honored to have you amongst us, and We are hopeful that with your experience, we are going to grow in Jamia as a community. You have been very caring, you have been very cooperative, dynamic, and motivating during this time. I don't have words to express your cooperation in this time. You have been really grateful to have you with us, and we thank you a lot for accepting our invitation today, sir. Now, with that, I would like to request our convener, Professor Tawqir Ahmed, to give the vote of thanks, final vote of thanks, and conclude the valedictory session today.
Thank you, Dr. Ufana Riaz. Respected Dr. Nazim Hussain Al Jafri, Chief Guest of the program and Registrar of Jamia Millia Islamia. The guest of honors of this valedictory ceremony, Professor Sarabjit Banerjee from Texas A&M University and Professor Yong Ming Mao from Illinois Institute of Technology, Chicago. Professor Nahid Nishat, Chairperson of Indo-US Program and Head of Chemistry Department. All invited guests, delegates, my dear colleagues and students. Good morning to all of you. This is a great privilege for me to extend a formal vote of thanks in this valedictory function of Indo-US webinar and lecture series, which has been organized under the aegis of SPARK scheme of Ministry of Education, Government of India, to all who helped to make this event such a success. First of all, I would like to thank our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Najma Akhtar Ma'am, for her kind permission to organize the conference in the university, and with her generous support, we could manage each and every step of this program very comfortably. Madam, you always motivate us by your kind blessings and extraordinary support. We are extremely thankful to our Registrar Sahab, Dr. Nazim Hussain Al Jafri, for accepting our invitation as chief guest and grace the occasion. Registrar Sahab, we are also grateful for your guidance, supportive hands, and valuable support in the preparation of this Indo-US program from day one. Thank you very much, sir. The presence of Professor D.D. Sharma from Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore, in this program, in spite of his extremely busy schedule, is a reflection of the importance that's attached to the commitment of the science to quality escalation. We are all inspired by his gracious presence in the inaugural program and to deliver the plenary talk. We are extremely grateful to all our keynote speakers from India, Professor Ashok Kumar Ganguly from IIT Delhi, Professor Arun Chattopadhyay, IIT Guwahati, Professor Inkit Tyagi, DIRC Mumbai, and the keynote speakers from United States, Professor K.V. Ramanujachari from Rowan University, New Jersey, Professor Sarabjit Banerjee, Texas A&M University, and Professor Mao, IIT Chicago, for accepting our invitation to deliver the lectures on the frontier areas of advanced functional materials and potential applications in energy-oriented research, as well as to integrate their understanding of the subject with the delegates. I also wish to express my special thanks to the collaborative institutes, Texas A&M University and Illinois Institute of Technology, Chicago, and associated research investigators, Professor Banerjee and Professor Mao, for not only delivering the special lectures throughout the long lecture series, but also their minute-to-minute discussion and support at every point of time in the organization of this great event. I take this opportunity to extend our most sincere thanks to all our participants from different destinations of the country and abroad in large number for their patient listening and great interaction by asking thoughtful questions. I'm also thankful to Professor Simi Farag Bashir, Dean, Faculty of Natural Sciences, for her kind support and encouragement for making possible this historic webinar and lecture series at Jamia Millia Islamia. The unconditional support from the head of the department, Professor Nahid Nishat, is gratefully acknowledged. she has been very active and supportive for this event. Her dedication and affection towards this Indo-US webinar and lecture series cannot be expressed in words. Thank you, nice madam. Very special thanks goes to Dr. Shane Kazim Naqvi Sahab, Director, Center for Information Technology, for his wholehearted support to manage this event in virtual mode on Cisco WebEx and for YouTube streaming to accommodate the large number of participants. An event of this dimension cannot happen overnight. The wheels start rolling months in advance. It requires meticulous planning and execution and an eye for detail. I have been fortunate enough to be backed by a team of very motivated and dedicated colleagues who know their job and result oriented. I cannot thank everyone enough for the involvement they have shown and willingness they have expressed to take on the completion of tasks beyond their comfort zones, especially in the pandemic era of COVID-19. Therefore, I am extremely thankful to all my colleagues of the Department of Chemistry, more especially Dr. Fana Riaz, who also the co-convener of the program, Dr. Sapan Kumar Jain, Dr. Abul Bashir, and Dr. Jeba for their invaluable support at every level of the preparation of the Indo-US webinar and the lecture series. Many pupils were associated with this program. However, this Indo-US webinar and lecture series would not have been possible to organize in this way without the true dedication of my NanoLab PhD students. I must mention their names at this moment. I request my students to please switch on your video when I call your name. Mr. Amit, please switch on your camera. Ms. Huma, Mr. Naeem, Ms. Farah, Mr. Fazil, and Mr. Asim. I request to all the dignitaries and delegates, please appreciate them for their efforts to manage this long event in a very comfortable mode. I am also thankful to the staff of Jamia Millia Islamia Administration, including the staff of the Offices of Chemistry, Dean's Office, Center for Information Technology, Office of the Registrar, and the Office of the Vice Chancellor that has supported us in every possible way for this Indo-US webinar and lecture series. In the last but not least, I would like to acknowledge and express my heartfelt thanks to the Ministry of Education, Government of India, for all kind of financial support to sponsored Spark scheme. The thank list always remain endless, but someone has to stop somewhere. I hope this 9 days long Indo-US webinar and lecture series will be a memorable one for all the delegates. Thank you and have a great day. So now with the request, with the permission of the Registrar Sahab, I would like to ask the permission to close this webinar officially.
I have no objection over it. It is up to you if you are going to close. So I am happy that the program has been completed successfully, and I congratulate all of you for this completion, for this successful completion. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. And thank you, Professor Banerjee, Professor Mao, Professor Nail Nishad, Dr. Fana Riaz, and all the dignitaries and invited guests, participants, for being with us for this in this long journey. Thank you so much.
Wishing